Now I will discuss with you a new topic of the chapter number system. This is to be considered as the exponents of the real numbers. In fact, a lot of discussion in my previous lecture has been taken place about the real numbers, that numbers may be rational or may be irrational are considered to be the real numbers. Now, in order to explain you what are the exponents, what are the powers, what are the base, I am taking few examples and the total exponents will be discussed only and only about the real numbers. No imaginary number will be taken for discussion in this chapter. Question is, what is exponent? In case if a student want to multiply any real number, suppose a 3 times, so writing a into a into a, it is the expanded notation. One can say it is power 1, power 1, power 1. So when power 1, power 1, power 1 is clubbed, it can be written as a is to power 3, or we say a cube. So a is the base, 3 is the exponent, and a cube is the power. So what is the exponent? If there is a base, suppose 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So base is 2 and its exponent is 5, and this is known as 2 raised to the power 5. So this kind of discussion will take place in the chapter exponent of real numbers. As I want to explain you few problems also, so before it, what are their rules? So what are the rules? If the base, suppose I am taking the first rule here, if the base of two exponents is same, let us suppose the base is 2, or you can change it, you can write suppose a is to power m and another is a raised to the power n. I am multiplying a is to power m into a is to power n. The base of both is same, that's why powers are different. So I will say in this problem of exponent, a is to power m plus n. So when bases are same, powers are different, then in the product the answer is same base and sum of the powers m plus n become a is to power m plus n. This is the first rule. Suppose I talk about that bases are same and powers are different and the operation is of division. In case of the division operation, the result will be a is to power m minus n. Second. The third is, if operation is like this, a is to power m, then power n, a is to power m, then power n. That's why we say powers raised to the power power. This become a is to power m into n. So if the bases are same, powers are different, operation is product, answer is same base and sum of all powers. It is not mandatory that we will block it only on the two product. There may be a is to power m into a is to power n into a is to power p, then answer will be a is to power m plus n plus p. In the division, powers needs to be subtracted. In the exponent, like this, a is to power m raised to the power n, answer is a is to power m into n. Now if I say the bases are different, like a is to power m and b is to power n, and bases are different, powers are same, we call it a into b whole raised to the power n. Now the next we can say, if it is a is to power m divided by same power different base, answer will be a upon b raised to the power m. So these are the 5 basic rules which we will operate. With the help of this, I also want to tell you there may be another rule. In case somewhere if it is written like nth root of a. Nth root of a means a raised to the power 1 upon n. This becomes the answer of nth root of a. Suppose it is written that nth root of a raised to the power m. So in case of nth root of a raised to the power m, answer will be a raised to the power m upon n. In case the question is like nth root of, then mth root of, suppose it is what, first nth root, then mth root of b. So we can say it is nth root of b raised to the power 1 upon m. That is why first I have operated this one. Then I can say b raised to the power 1 upon m, that raised to the power 1 upon n. In this, if I apply the powers to power pi, this rule, if I apply this rule here, I will find answer as b raised to the power 1 upon mn. And in the notation I can write mnth root of b is the answer or simplified value of this. So we will see that which rule is applicable, and according to the required rules we will solve the problems.